Welcome back. Now, once you have installed the PowerPoint add-in, you will want to look at your settings. And to do that, you're going to go into the Settings button. That's going to give you this dialog. And you're going to see various settings that you can control before you start the recording process. Now, once your presentation ends, you're going to want to control what happens. So when you complete your recording, you can make it so that the recording continues. You can make it so that you can get a prompt, or you can make it so that the recording will automatically stop. And this will determine what kind of presentation you are doing and how you want to do it. You're going to see a screen frame rate and what kind of format you're going to record to, but you can also determine how it's going to be recorded. You can determine how or if you're going to record audio. So for example, we can untick record audio, or we can record our audio through our microphone as we are speaking. Just as is the case when you were using the Camtasia recorder, you can determine if you're going to record the audio that's playing on your computer. You can tick or untick this button. If you're going to use your webcam along with your PowerPoint presentation, you can add in the Record from Camera button. When you do that, you can then set up your camera. You're going to click this button. That's going to give you a dialog for your webcam. You're going to see a preview, and you can determine how you want your webcam to be recorded. Once you have determined what your camera setup is going to be, you can then click OK. If you decide that you're not going to capture the webcam, you can take off Record from Camera. And finally, you are going to see keyboard shortcuts. You're going to see the record or pause button as well as the stop button. Now, one of the things you'll notice is that it's slightly different by default than if you use the recorder. You're going to use Control Shift and F9 by default, and then to stop, Control Shift and F10. Now again, you can control the experience as to what this is going to be, and you can change this if you want it to be different. Once you have determined what your settings are going to be, by using the PowerPoint add-in, you can then click OK. And you are then ready to begin using the PowerPoint add-in. Okay, so with that, thanks, and I will see you in another video.